Welcome to my Udemy course about the manageable Puppet infrastructure. Welcome. So first a little bit about myself. My name is Apeldoorn. I'm a freelance Puppet consultant and I'm also teaching the Puppet Labs courses for the Netherlands. I spend most of my days doing consultancy and I spend on average 5 days per client to help them get started using Puppet and implementing the manageable Puppet infrastructure. So what will be the end result of this course? Well, you will first of all end up with a production-ready Puppet infrastructure, which will be manageable. You can customize it to your own needs and you can easily scale it. And of course, you know how it works because you build it. So a little bit about the manageable Puppet infrastructure. It's proven technology. It's being used in many companies and I've personally implemented quite a few and I know that others have implemented it as well based on the information that's on my site, puppetspecialist.nl. It's highly customizable so you can adapt it to your individual site needs. It's in use by very small companies and very large companies. And it's easy to scale out if you have more nodes. So why do you want to make use of a design like the manageable Puppet infrastructure? Well, frankly, migrations suck. You need a lot of experience to get the right design on the first attempt. So that's why it's very good to use a pre-existing design that you can adapt to your own site needs. The MPI also has facilities to learn in production. So if you have a team, they can learn from each other using code review. And of course, with this course, you can do it yourself and save yourself a bundle of cash in consultancy. So what are we going to do? We're going to set up a Puppet master, which will be ready for production use. We'll implement code review, which is very important, but not for the obvious reasons. We'll take a look at hiera-eyaml, so we can do data separation, which gives you a lot of flexibility, but you can still encrypt those database passwords, for instance. We'll implement roles and profiles, which are two abstraction layers on top of your modules. And those are really helpful to keep your infrastructure manageable. In the meantime, we will also take a look at Vagrant for testing machines, etc. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started.